Alright guys, I want to do a quick video here just to give you the overview on the Rekluse clutch for the KTM 390. And if you're having any issues with it, it works a little differently than, works a lot differently than the Rekluses on most other KTMs that have hydraulic clutches and even a lot of the dirt bikes. So if you install everything and it's not working, you have to realize that the Rekluse works by leaving a little bit of a gap. The plates from the Rekluse leave a little bit of a gap, and then the EXP disc, when it spins and expands, it takes away that gap. So then the bike takes off. While you're sitting at a low enough idle, there is always a gap, and that gap would be the same as if you had your hand on the clutch. So on these KTM 390s, once you install the Rekluse, it's probably not going to work because there's no gap. You have to create that gap with tension on the clutch arm. So if you get one of these new and you've got the free play set up correctly, this is probably going to be all the way down here. You're going to have some free play. You're going to put your Rekluse in. It's not going to work. You have to crank on this and pull this arm forward and create that gap yourself with the tension from the cable, and then your Rekluse will work. So that's something I ran into one time, but there's not much out there on YouTube about it, so I just wanted to let you guys know. You install everything in here, it's tight, you create your gap with the pre-tension on this arm, on the clutch, expands those plates out like 3/100ths, and then your RPM will allow the EXP disc to spin and expand, take away the gap, bike will take off. So if you have any issue with the Rekluse for the 390s, I would start there first. Thanks. Later.